everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the DynaCaster DCM6 microphone by SE Electronics. Inside it comes with the microphone, user manual, and a sticker. And just to go over some specs, this microphone is recommended for recording, broadcasting, podcasting, live streaming, vocals, voice, and instrument. It has a dynamic capsule, copper voice coil, cardioid directional pattern, frequency range of 40 Hz to 18 kHz. It requires 48 volt phantom power, and it also has an integrated dynamite technology which provides an extra 30 dBs of clean, transparent gain at the push of a button. And for connectivity, it uses 3-pin male XLR connector. Taking a look at the microphone, there's some good weight to it with its metal housing, and it feels well built. On the right side, you have the SE Electronics logo along with the DynaCaster DCM6 labeling. You also have the threaded adapter for mounting. On the bottom, you have the XLR connector along with the button for an additional 30 dBs of gain. You have a removable windscreen on the top, and it has an integrated pop filter for plosives. You can remove it by just unscrewing it. It also has a built-in integrated shock mount, so there's no need for an external one. The microphone weighs in at 541 grams. And now for some audio samples. I'll compare the DynaCaster DCM6 with the Sennheiser MK4. The audio that you'll hear from both of the microphones won't have any processing at all. Now you're hearing the audio from the DynaCaster DCM6 microphone. I will read some phrases so you get a sense of the sound. The source of the huge river is a clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rosebush near the porch steps. Alright, now this is the audio of the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. There's no EQ settings. This is just the sounds that are coming out from the microphone. So I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rosebush near the porch steps. Here are my thoughts on the microphone. During the video recording, the audio you heard throughout was from the DCM6. I feel the microphone performed well, very clear, and it falls a bit on the brighter side. I like that it has an integrated pop filter along with the additional 30 dB of gain at a push of a button. No need to buy external boosters, but it will require 48 volt phantom power. It feels well built and it's solid. For the price point, it has good value and would be a good choice for those that are stepping into the XLR microphones. I did notice it to be a bit more sensitive, and it picks up some of the surrounding noises a bit more. So it may be good to have some sound panels or mic isolation booth to prevent the unwanted noises. Compared to the MK4 in my comparison, which is priced almost twice as much, it held its own. The MK4 does come a bit warmer as far as the sound. Overall, this is a solid XLR microphone that can be used for podcasting, streaming, vocals, instruments, and more. So that is a look at the DynaCaster DCM6 microphone by SE Electronics. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.